Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 16th of May, 2018. Here's a look at the ES front-month futures contract. Slipped back the last couple of days, although it wasn't much action the first day of the week, but the second day of the week definitely down. Let's talk about the major indices on the daily charts. Then we'll look at the intraday action, and then we'll get to looking forward here. So we've got crude oil down 20 cents to 71.10, still near closing highs on crude. Gold up 70 cents, but after dropping to new lows for the last 6 months on Monday. S&P cash index lost 18.68 on Tuesday after being down just a couple points, or up a couple points on Monday. NDX Nasdaq 100 down 75 with a gap. A lot of that was the gap. Keep that in mind on Tuesday. SOX down 16. That's a floating island reversal on SOX. Let's look at that real quick on the 5-minute chart. See that? That's a floating island right there. See, gapped up on Monday, went flat, and then gapped down on Tuesday. That's a floating island at the end of a run, too. Usually not a positive. Biotech's down 38.09 after being up on Monday. The VIX closes up $1.70 at 14.63. Trend closes at 0.91. It puts the 10-day moving average at 0.97. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're about to drop the last 1.5 number off of there. We got a low reading tomorrow. That could take that moving average down real quick to 0.85. That would be a sell signal on the broad market. NASDAQ volume 2.1 billion shares. It's kind of average for where we've been. It's right on the 10-day moving average. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was negative 137. More stocks down than up. Negative 760 on the New York. Google loses $21.73. Apple loses $1.71 after hanging near new highs up until yesterday. Netflix down $2.40. Amazon down $25.42. Tesla down $7.79. Is that a, let's see, we have a projection mode. That is a 13. No, it's not a 13 buy signal because we're not below the 8, but we could get there quickly on Tesla. Another big day down. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, new lows. That's bad for interest rates. Goldman Sachs down $2.35 after recovering for a couple of days a while back here. Here's the 5-minute chart. Let me switch it to 5 on the ES. So you can see Monday, the gap up, pretty flat, drifted back down over lunch and filled the gap and closed up just a couple of points late in the day. Tuesday, the gap down, pushed lower, and that was most of the range for the day. It wasn't very interesting looking. NASDAQ side, probably not much different. Looks almost the same. The whole NASDAQ range was set within the first hour, 30, 40 minutes of the day on Tuesday. In terms of economic data coming out on Wednesday, we've got building permits and housing starts an hour before the bell. Capacity utilization, industrial production 15 minutes before the bell. Mortgage delinquencies at 10 a.m. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.